I talk too much about this. Yeah. Dad and all that stuff, it's like, but Jane was a perfect guest for me to have as my recovery show. It's part of the deal, everybody. It's part of the deal. So it's nice that we had 2 fitness shows in a row, kind of, my love, and hopefully it inspires you to do more. But FitFixNow is awesome. And Jane Curth is just such dynamite. I mean, so great. So please check it out. Check out her courses. Take her advice, my advice, whatever. Live through the story. Thank you guys so much. Love you all. Thank you for listening, watching, doing whatever. Subscribe. Check us out. Go to the TikTok thing. Go to Instagram. Go to Facebook, where I put all those little short messages in the morning. My morning affirmations daily. And I'm on it, man. I'm doing it every day. All right. Talk to you soon. Peace out, everybody. Love you.